Guys, it's me again, here to teach you about area and perimeter on a coordinate plane. Now you guys see we're given a coordinate plane with a bunch of points. In this question it says the upper left coordinate of the rectangle are negative 1, 7, and the upper right coordinate are 4, 7. And remember from what we learned yesterday, first thing you can do is you can always put x, y whenever you see these, so you know it's the x and the y coordinate, x, y, just like the alphabet. Always remember that. The rectangle is an area of 20. So guys, I'll do a quick review of area. Remember, whenever you have a shape, the area of a rectangle or a square is the length times the height. So if this was, the length was, let's say 6, and the height was 3, the area of the rectangle would be 6 times 3, which you can do in your calculator if you want, or in your head. We get 18. So knowing that little refresher, we're going to have to go a little bit backwards. Great. So first thing I want to do, we know the rectangle, so the rectangle is an area of 20 is the last part of the question. So if we go 1, 7, and maybe can you zoom in on the screen a little bit, because I don't know if it might be a little, or thank you, Jesse.
I don't actually know
Or
how
just
to
move
do
the
that.
screen closer, I think. So negative 1, 7, that was 6, negative 1, 7, and then 4, 7. So if I count the boxes, I see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have one rectangle with this size 5. So if I think I need a rectangle that has an area of 20, one side is 5. What's the other side going to be? Let's call it x. 5 times x equals 20. Now you can think in your head, what's that x going to be? You can try a bunch of numbers. Another thing you can do is get rid of the 5. Divide both sides by 5. Get that x alone, like we usually do. The 5s will cancel. 20 divided by 5, you can do on your calculator, that's going to equal 4. So we know that the width is going to be 5, the height is going to be 4. Let's go back here and turn that into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make that into a rectangle. Remember, rectangles have 90-degree sides and opposite lengths are the same length. Let's keep going. Let's do this one a little quicker. A rectangle ABC is graphed on the coordinate plane. The following area, the vertices of the rectangle are 2, 0, 6, 0, 6, 7, and 2, 7. What is the area of the rectangle? Now, one thing you can do is if you have a coordinate plane, just use it. But honestly, these numbers are pretty simple square numbers. So this is going to go from 2 over to 6. From A to B is going to be 2 to 6. And we think 2 to 6 is going to be 4 units. You can think of you put a 4 up there. And then it's going to go down from, going to go up, it looks like, from 6 to 6, 6, 0 to 6, 7. So I can go up 7, 2, 0 to 2, 7. That'll be our D, and that will be our C. So if we do the math, remember width times height, 4 times 7, throw it in your calculator, we get 28. And that's the math on that. That's it for us today. We'll see you. We'll talk to you right now.